Hey guys and kids, welcome back to our group classes. And today we are going to study the third part of English grammar. In third part, we study about singular and plurals. In the previous video, we have learned about nouns, countable noun, uncountable noun. Singular and plurals are part of countable noun. Let's get started. So countable nouns are divided into two groups. Which one? Singular and plural. Okay. So let's study some sentences with the pictures given below. This is a one chocolate. This is 5 chocolates. Study the word chocolate. Read the word chocolate. Chocolate means one chocolate. If we add s in the end, it becomes chocolates. It becomes plural. Everyone loves chocolates, right? Oh, these are dog and dogs. One dog, 7 dogs. If we add s to the dog, it becomes plural. Okay, kids, tell me what are these dogs? These dogs are Paw Patrol dogs, right? I hope everyone has watched these dogs, right? So let's move on. Now, what are the definition? What is the definition? The noun that stands for one person, place, animal, or a thing is said to be singular number. Like this car is singular number because it is one number. What is it? One person, place, animal, or thing. It is all singular number. Noun that stands for more than one person, animal, thing. It is plural. These are 2 cars. It is in plural. What we call car, one car, and we add s behind the car, it becomes cars. We say 2 cars are talking and they're happy, right? So how plural is formed from singular word? First one, most of the nouns marks plural by adding s. What we add to it? S. This is a single bird. These are 3 birds. We add s, so it becomes birds. This apple and these are apples. If we add simple s to it, it becomes apples. They are saying hi, hello. Say hi, hello, kids. This is a pen and these are pens, right? And they are also happy. Single pen means pen. If we add s to behind it, become pens. In some categories, like the words ending with s, ss, double s, ch, x, or sh, if the words nouns which end with these words behind, we add es at the end. Let's see with example. Like in this word x, in last word it is x, fox. We add not s, we add es to it to make it a plural form. Right? Word with s, double s, cs, ch, x, or sh. We add es at the end. You can say these are the rules to make plural from a singular. Next is glass, glasses, double s. We add es to it. Bus, buses. Church, churches, es. Brush, brushes. Now below are some examples for you to solve. If you have any problem in this, ask me in the comment box. Okay. Use of ies. In some plural you have seen we use ies instead of s or es. What are the words? Nouns ending with y. Okay, which words end with y? We add ies and has consonant before it. Main important consonant. If we end word noun end with y and has consonant before that word, it ends with ies. Like, let's see the table. Baby and with the by. B is a consonant and with y we apply ies. Babies. Similar with lady, ladies. Fly, flies. Army, what will be the answer for army? RB is ies. Next two are for you to homework. If in previous slide we have learned the word Y which has consonant. Now if there is vowel before that, then we add S to make it a plural. Like key, E. Here is EY. E is a vowel. We add simply S, not IES. Okay. Here it is monkey, E. Donkey, E. E is a vowel. We simply add S to it. Now use of VES. The nouns which end with F or FE. The plural is formed by changing F or FE to VES. Okay. Instead of F, we will add VES to the noun. Like knife, FE knife. It will be knives, VES. Half, F halves. Similar way, leaf, leaves, wall, walls. Right? There are some special nouns which are special nouns which change with irregular word, change in a vowel. Like man, we will come men. We change the vowel. Child, children. Woman, women. Goose, geese. Foot, feet. These are called special nouns. Some there are nouns which does not change in plural. It is, we can write it in simple singular form for both. Like deer, we wrote deer. One deer, 10 deer. We not add S or ES, IES, VES, nothing. Deer, deers, not deer ka plural, deer. Sheep, sheep. Fish, fish. Fruit, fruit. Oh, here in some books you must see it will be fruits, fruit and fruits. It is a case where different types of fruits, if we place in a basket one apple and many apple, we will don't say this basket, in this basket there is one apple and in another basket it is having a, sorry, in one basket there is one fruit and in another basket there are several fruits. If we add, then it means there are various types of fruits. That in basket there is apple, grapes, banana, pineapple. If there is both basket apples are placed, we will say in one basket there is fruit, apple, and in another basket 10 fruits, that is apples only. Okay, if we have various fruits, then we add S to fruits, right? So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and share. Okay, and next video we will coming soon with next grammar part. Okay, take care, bye.